There was poor pickup problem that his rate of acceleration was very low. This was not a routine problem. It was something unusual. Its root cause was unique. Sometimes root cause of problem is not any conventional known reason. In such case, it becomes difficult to locate the root cause. In such case, it becomes necessary to come out of fixed mindset and apply your mind. One of our double-deck bus started reporting for poor acceleration. Normally, following points are checked for poor acceleration. 1. Accelerator adjustment, whether on full acceleration, fuel injection pump control lever is touching maximum speed stop screw. 2. Fuel supply to engine, observing fuel return by opening fuel tank cap. 3. Injection pressure, by holding each injector pipe in 2 fingers, turn by turn. Both above points are explained in our video engine health checkup link given above. For injection timing, observe exhaust smoke. 5. Air supply to engine, checking/cleaning/replacing intake air filter. 6. Brake binding, whether any brake is jam or releasing late. Also various other miscellaneous points are checked. In spite of checking all the above points repeatedly, no fault was located. Therefore we started applying our mind to other things. On this double-deck bus, earlier 680 engine was replaced with 400 engine. No doubt, 400 engine is considerably less horsepower, but this decision was taken as 680 engine had become obsolete in India and its spare parts were not available. Decision was taken to replace engines of all double-deck buses of that lot, only after extensive trial with 400 engine. Also, manufacturer had started supplying new double-deck buses with 400 engines only and there was no problem. Therefore the question was why poor acceleration on this one bus only. While thinking about this, I remembered that these buses had 2 types of worm and worm wheel type differentials, with ratio of 5.4 and 6.25. Therefore I suspected that only this bus might have 5.4 ratio differential. On checking, it was found that this bus had 5.4 differential. On replacing differential with 6.25 ratio, problem of poor acceleration was completely solved. All drivers also confirmed that there is no complaint. Analysis. It is obvious that due to very high horsepower of the engine, even with smaller differential ratio of 5.4 there was no problem of poor acceleration, but with less horsepower engine, smaller differential ratio of 5.4 was creating major issue of very poor acceleration. With 5.4 ratio, torque available at the wheels is less. But due to very high horsepower of 680 engine, even this reduced torque was much more than requirement. Hence there was no complaint of poor acceleration, whereas with 400 engine, reduced torque was much lower than requirement. Hence there was severe complaint of poor acceleration. Point to remember, when you do not find solution with conventional methods, you have to apply your mind in non-conventional way, examining the issue from basic fundamentals. Thank you for watching this video. In case you need any clarification, please feel free to give your comment. Please like and subscribe to the channel to get more interesting videos. Thank you.